Look, listen and say. Kabaddi, cycling, weightlifting, badminton, volleyball, cricket, swimming, football. Match the words to their correct pictures. Listen and say.
Do you play or do any sports?
I love badminton. I play with my family on weekends. I also go swimming and cycling a lot.
I play cricket and I do weightlifting.
Weightlifting? Are you strong?
Not very, but I want to get stronger. My brother is very strong.
My brother is strong too. He plays kabaddi and volleyball. He's good at sports.
I would like to try kabaddi. I would also like to learn how to play volleyball.
Volleyball is exciting, but I like playing football more.
I love football too, but not as much as cricket. That's my favorite sport.
Read the conversation again and answer the following questions. 1. What kind of sports does Baichong play? 2. What kind of sports does Anusha play? 3. Who does play kabaddi and volleyball? 4. Which sports would Baichong like to learn? 1. What kind of sports does Baichong play? Baichong plays cricket and does weightlifting. What kind of sports does Anusha play? Anusha plays badminton and football and she goes swimming and cycling a lot. Who does play kabaddi and volleyball? Anusha's brother plays kabaddi and volleyball. Which sports would Baichong like to learn? Baichong would like to learn volleyball and kabaddi. Read the conversation again. 1. What kind of sports? Pair work. Act the dialogue of activity B. Pair work. Act the Read and circle. Do activity D from your textbook. Pair work. Ask and answer the questions. 1. What games or sports do you like? 2. How often do you play or watch that sport? 3. When do you play or watch it? 4. Who do you play or watch the sport with? Read the dialogue of section B. Write, go, play or do before each of the sports. Play badminton. Play cricket. Go cycling. Play football. Play kabaddi. Go swimming. Play volleyball. Do weightlifting. Then write a sentence about each sport. For example, I like to play badminton. She goes for swimming. Look at the picture and choose the correct word. play, go, or do.
Play football. Go cycling. Play badminton. Do high jump. Go swimming. Go walking. Play cricket. Do gymnastics. Do karate.
We usually use play, go and do in these sports.
Is the sentence correct or incorrect? 1. I like to play swimming. I like to go for swimming. 2. Farhad likes to play cricket. 3. They usually do football. They usually play football. 4. We like to play walking. We like to go walking. 5. Miriam likes to go bicycling. 6. Rohim and Korim play karate. Rohim and Korim do karate. Write in your exercise book the paragraph your teacher dictates. The paragraph is about cricket in Bangladesh.
Cricket is a wonderful sport. Many people in Bangladesh play cricket. The cricket teams in Bangladesh are very good. People all over the world know this.
Listen and read. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896, and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then.
Listen.
Anusha and Baichong are watching TV.
Listen and say.
Hi Baichong, what do you know about Olympics? Do you know what these rings represent?
No, I don't. Could you possibly tell me what it is?
Well, these rings represent the 5 continents that compete in the Olympic Games. The continents are Asia, America, Africa, Europe, and Oceania.
Whoa, it sounds amazing. Could you tell me something more?
Well, the Olympic Games even have their own anthem. Would you like to listen to it?
Sure.
Listen.
Anusha and Baichong.
Listen and say.
Hi Baichong. What do you know about Olympics? Do you know what these rings represent? Answer the questions. 1. How often are the Olympics held? 2. How many countries compete in the Olympics? 3. How many athletes compete in the Olympics? 4. How many sports are there in the Olympics? 5. When was the first Olympics? 6. When did the modern Olympic game begin? 1. How often are the Olympics held? The Olympics are held every 4 years. 2. How many countries compete in the Olympics? More than 200 countries compete in the Olympics. 3. How many athletes compete in the Olympics? 13,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. 4. How many sports are there in the Olympics? There are more than 30 sports in the Olympics. 5. When was the first Olympics? The first Olympics was held almost 3,000 years ago. 6. When did the modern Olympic game begin? The modern Olympic Games began in 1896. 1. How often are the Olympics held?
Read the table. Read the table again. Complete the sentences.
Review your answers in the next slide.
Read the table again. Complete the sentences.
Review your answers in the next slide. The first Olympics was held in Athens, Greece. 2. The United States was the host country of the 10th Olympics. Italy was the host of the 17th Olympics. The 20th Olympics was held in Munich.
Then write a sentence about each sport.
For example, I like to play badminton. She goes for swimming. The host country of the 5th Olympics has a blue and yellow flag. The 19th Olympics was hosted by Mexico City. The 14th Olympics was held in
1948.